welcome to Vlogmas day 24. Merry Christmas Eve. Can't even believe it, it's Christmas Eve. We were actually supposed to go to church, but I guess we're gonna end up going tomorrow. It's 4 o'clock. We're gonna have Christmas dinner, but just wanted to share with you really quickly. This is like my mom's wall of Christmas cards, holiday cards. So this is our wall this year. My mom's definitely a Christmas card person. Even though this year we were late with sending out the Christmas cards, at least we sent out the cards. And it's just a way to greet everybody. Happy holidays, Happy New Year. I realized that earlier I already used the Revlon One Step Blow Dryer, but I was trying to figure out why my hair still looks pretty frizzy and it doesn't look really like straight. And then I realized it's because I didn't use the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Heat Styling Spray. This is a heat conditioner, it's heat protectant, and it really like, ooh, it really like does magic to your hair. It's not, even the ends, I don't know, I'm just not like really happy with it, even though I use this item. Just kind of run this through really quickly and we'll see if there's a difference, because I honestly feel like there is every time I use this product. I think we're good. At least to me, I feel like it makes a big difference. It's a lot sleeker, it's a lot straighter, it feels shinier, and it's less frizzy, which overall is what I'm looking for. It really does give you that long-lasting smoothness. Who's the guest? Oh, it's Darren! It's scallop potato time! Yep, super simple. Darren really likes these, so we're making it for him for Christmas. I really wish one year we could just make this by hand, but this year, and like every other year we've been making this, we've basically just used the box version. I don't know if you guys remember this Simply Wines from Trader Joe's. I got this, I think, before Halloween. It was a pack of 4. Well, this is like the very last one. I do drink like occasionally, and when I say occasionally, I do mean occasionally. But today we're gonna be a little bit bougier. We're actually gonna put it in this. It was from Pop Beauty. It's this really pretty pink plastic wine glass or wine tumbler. Ooh. Ooh. So Christmas dinner is super simple. We have the King's Hawaiian bread rolls, some honey baked ham, and potatoes au gratin. Merry Christmas, fam! Dinner and stepbrothers. Hey chickies, welcome to Vlogmas day 25. Merry Christmas, season's greetings, happy holidays. I cannot believe it, it is Christmas Day. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
My mom thought she was
Happy New Year.
And Happy New Year. Oh my goodness, you guys, I can't even believe it, it's Christmas Day. Where did we leave off last night? So we had dinner. I had like a couple sips of alcohol, like literally like sips of alcohol, and then I don't know what happened. I went to sleep even before midnight. So that was basically our Christmas Eve. It was super chill. Honestly, don't think we're doing anything today. I think it's gonna be pretty much just chill here at home. Although tomorrow I think we are gonna go out, but don't worry, we still will be vlogging, of course. Merry Christmas, chickies. Yeah, let's go get some coffee. My mom has been baking her famous candied pecans the whole day, like literally the whole day. How many hours have you been?
Since 9 o'clock.
And it is now, what time is it? 5
o'clock.
5 o'clock. She's been a baking queen the whole day.
Christmas baking.
Haven't seen the recipe, I will link the video up in the card area and also down below in the description box. Alright chickies, so you know what time it is. It is our very last tea time advent calendar time for 2019. Honestly, this whole month flew by so quickly, and I appreciate you guys so much for, you know, just even hanging out for a few minutes a day. Even if you just came back to hang out like once at all during this whole entire Vlogmas season, I really appreciate you guys. So let's go ahead and open 2 days of the English Tea Shop Organic Advent Tea Calendar, day number 24, Christmas Eve, and 25. Day 24. Thank you, by the way, for all of the well wishes. I feel so much better. I definitely did a ton of just resting and sleeping, and I feel so much better. Wow, this smells more like passion fruit and coconut. What is this? White tea, coconut, and passion fruit. All right, pour some water. Perfect. We'll let this steep already. Let's go ahead and smell day 25, Christmas Day. Very minty. Excuse me. Day 25 smells minty and chocolatey. Candy cane, all right. How was your holiday? We had a very, very chill Christmas, as you guys can tell. We just had like a small dinner and like a little bit of alcohol, and that really was it. Go ahead and open day 24. Nothing, I think it only goes up to 24. So let's actually open this. There's no chocolate for day 24, and I know we didn't eat day 24. Let's review the Hello Kitty and Friends chocolate advent calendar. As much as I love Hello Kitty, this honestly was a little bit disappointing. I don't know what happened to it, just because all the chocolates, except for like the very few, and when I say very few, maybe like a handful of the chocolates were actually in the container. Maybe it was just a bad batch, but to be honest, I don't think I would get this next year. Let's go ahead and try day 24, the white tea, coconut, and passion fruit tea. Good blend. Coconut, passion fruit, very good. And then we have candy cane. Ooh, the peppermint in here is very strong. The peppermint flavor is too strong for me. I actually prefer the white tea, coconut, and passion fruit tea, just because I like my teas a little bit sweeter. Let's actually put back the English Tea Shop Organic Tea Advent Calendar. I know I was telling you guys that you could actually like take all of these and then make like a design with them, which I think we will do. This is the best I can come up with. I guess you could make different pictures or different images with the boxes because they don't all seem to connect, but this is what I ended up with. Not perfect, but it's the best I could do. I think this is a pretty good Advent tea calendar for your money because it was like $16.99. A lot of other tea Advent calendars that I've seen, this one's 25 days. They are way pricier. I would say twice or 3 times pricier than this one. Although there were some repeats, I think that this is definitely worth checking out. I really enjoyed most of the teas in here. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with us for the 25 days of Vlogmas. Truly appreciate you guys so much. I hope you had a wonderful holiday. Happy holidays. Thank you so much for hanging out for Vlogmas day 24 and 25. If you enjoyed this vlog, please make sure you give it a like. Subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be a part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and we will see you in the next vlog. Happy holidays.